Hello everyone! Let's make the most creamy and flavorful beef curry today. This beef curry is exceptionally creamy, not only thanks to the Japanese curry paste, but also thanks to the addition of potato pieces. After slowly stewing for an hour and a half, the potatoes have become so creamy and flavorful that the beef is buttery soft, coated in the creamy curry sauce and potato starch. And the best part is, it is so easy to make this dish. We will need some garlic cloves, 2 large russet potatoes, half onion and 6 medium-sized Roma tomatoes, a pound of beef chuck, and 1 package of Japanese curry. There's 2 large cubes of Japanese curry paste in the package, which we will use them all. First, let's prepare all ingredients. Cut tomatoes into smaller pieces. I always remove the center stem as it's not pleasurable to bite into. Then cut potatoes into bite-sized chunks. Make sure to soak the potatoes after cutting them to prevent discoloration. Dice onion into smaller pieces as well. Use knife to crush the garlic, then roughly mince them. Here's 1 pound of beef chuck. First, let's trim off excess fat, which we will save it for cooking later. After trim off the fat, we'll cut beef chuck into bite-sized chunks. Now that all ingredients is well prepared, let's start cooking. Over medium heat, give it 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and as well as add beef fat in the pan. Let it cook until the oil is fully extracted from the beef fat. Once the beef fat turns crispy, remove it from the pan. Then immediately put the beef chunks into the pan. Ensure all sides are nicely browned over medium-high heat. As soon as the beef achieves an even browning, take it out of the pan. Next, add minced garlic and chopped onion and stir fry for a minute. Once onions become caramelized, add chopped tomatoes and toss around for a few times. When tomatoes are softened up, add beef chunks and season with salt and pepper to taste. Then pour in 2½ cups of boiled water. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for about 15 minutes over medium-high heat. After the initial 15 minutes, add star anise, 2 bay leaves, and a few slices of ginger, along with the Japanese curry paste. Optionally, break the curry paste into smaller pieces when adding it to the pan. This will facilitate quicker dissolution in the broth. Stir everything evenly and add the potato chunks at last. Then cover with a lid and allow it to simmer slowly over medium-low heat for an additional 1 hour and 15 minutes. And make sure to stir the mixture and check the water level every 30 minutes. Using a spatula, push from the bottom to prevent sticking. I did about 3 times during the 1 hour and 15 minutes of cooking. After 1 hour and 15 minutes slowly simmering, the potatoes have become wonderfully soft, and the beef chunks is fork tender. It's ready to be served over steamed rice. Optional to remove all spices from the pot before serving. This beef curry with potatoes offers rich and a creamy taste that is simply divine. The thick, incredibly flavorful curry broth pairs perfectly with a bed of rice, making it truly comforting and satisfying meal. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and exploring the recipe, and I encourage you to give it a try in your own kitchen. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like this video and recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Until next time, happy cooking everyone!